Uh, you are now muted. Um, we'll just go through these bits one by one. We'll start with the solo. Cool. So we just established in this bit down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, which is kind of cool. And these are played every four, like da 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 ba da 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 da, and all the rest are hang-ons. The verse part is pretty cool. And don't forget the accents in the muted notes. Not muted, sorry, I meant quite soft. Having said that, there is a slight muted quality sometimes with a bouncing hand. If you want to do it. And then we've got the distorted guitar, which is the intro and the verse. Intro and the chorus, I mean. I think the only thing there we're missing is when you're going, don't need money, don't take fame, don't need a credit card to rain, blah, 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 in this bit, B flat. Might just save your life, B flat to F. That's the power of love. Back keys. That's the power of love. Down, up, down, up. That's it.